With good maintenance, a 2013 Honda Civic can be practically immortal. Honda is notorious for building cars that just don't know when to quit. These vehicles take a licking and keep on ticking, and the Civic is a poster child for that durability. So let's talk numbers. With proper care and regular maintenance, you can expect a Honda Civic to hit 200,000 miles easily. Some owners push past that to 300,000 or even more. There are tales of Civics pushing 500,000 miles. But let's not base our expectations on outliers. They make for great stories, but hitting such high mileages often involves a mix of great care, gentle driving, and, well, quite a bit of luck. Routine maintenance is the key here. That means regular oil changes, tire rotations, and brake checks. It means promptly replacing the timing belt and water pump, typically between 60,000 and 100,000 miles. It means not ignoring that weird noise coming from under the hood, or that occasional hiccup when you shift gears. Here in Portland, Oregon, the weather can be tough on cars, with our rainy season potentially affecting parts differently than, say, the dry heat of Arizona or the consistent sun of California. Keeping an eye on potential rust and ensuring that your Civic's seals are up to snuff can save a lot of headaches down the road. If you treat your 2013 Honda Civic right, it'll treat you right in return. Keep up that maintenance, don't push it beyond its limits too often, and your Japanese-engineered companion should stick with you through thick and thin, possibly outlasting your need for it. And remember, maintenance is more than just an oil change here and there. It's an ongoing relationship with your car. Take care of it, and it just might see you through a decade or more.